Enduvo is your go-to platform for immersive communication and collaboration. Our no-code system empowers anyone to craft high-quality XR content without the need for technical know-how. Our authoring tool mirrors industry-leading creation platforms like Canva or Figma, providing a familiar interface. You can structure content as standalone experiences or in structured playlists and can mix and match as you need. The studio is where you'll create, edit, and manage your experiences. Library is your home for exploring content, and you'll collaborate in teams. Let's create an experience. Start with your experience card. Title it, add a thumbnail, and tag it appropriately. Next, select an environment. Today we'll use a warehouse, but it's easy to add others. Easily upload various assets or choose them from your library, leveraging Enduvo's support for over 50 3D model types, as well as pictures, documents, videos, and audio files. Then, drag and drop them in your immersive room. Now, with your space set up, let's record. Enduvo captures every word and virtual interaction, like object scaling, revealing cross-sectional views, or even taking objects apart. I can interact with 2D objects too, resizing them, paging through documents, and playing videos. When I'm done recording, I simply save and exit. Post-recording, I have many options. I can create another experience, add this one to a playlist, or share this experience with my team. Let's take a quick look at my team to see it. Also, I can share my experience beyond the platform. I'm able to use the share feature with built-in deep link connectivity to an external network via email, LinkedIn, or by copying the magic link. External users new to Enduvo are prompted to create an account and download the software, ready to interact with my immersive content and even create their own. Content consumers can interact with no risk. They can play my experience, then pause it at any time for deeper exploration. They can pull apart an object, scale it for a closer look, all without breaking anything. When they resume, everything snaps back into place. Enduvo brings the full promise of immersive XR to everyone. Enduvo's patented platform stands out as the simplest XR platform, enabling everyone to create and share their own content across all XR technologies. With Enduvo, create your reality and share your experience.